Namaste, I am Anand. Welcome to StudyMationn. Today, we'll explore Newton's second law of motion.
Newton's second law says force equals mass into acceleration. More force, more acceleration. More mass, less acceleration.
It means acceleration is directly proportional to force and inversely proportional to mass.
A lighter cart accelerates more. Less mass means less force is needed.
A heavier cart accelerates less. More mass means more force is needed.
Force depends on both mass and acceleration. The same kick moves a light ball far, but a heavy stone barely shifts. More mass needs more force.
Accelerates faster when lightly loaded, but slows down when carrying passengers and luggage.
Rocket thrust must overcome huge mass to achieve acceleration. Quick quiz. Which needs more force? A bike, or a truck? Acceleration due to gravity is the same, regardless of mass. Seatbelts reduce acceleration on your body by spreading force safely. On flat ground, a cyclist accelerates quickly, but uphill they pedal harder and move slowly. A light chair slides easily, but a heavy sofa barely moves. Not. More mass needs more force.
Acceleration depends on the net force acting on an object.
A stronger force produces greater acceleration. Remember, force equals mass into acceleration. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to StudyMationn for more animated science lessons.